Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about how to fix low quality story on Facebook. Before you're going to upload some story on Facebook, you're gonna go and tap on these three lines at the top right corner and choose settings button. You're gonna scroll down and you will find media section. Right here you're gonna choose optimized instead of data saver, because as you can see, data saver uses up to 40% less data by reducing video quality, so you don't want to reduce the quality, and choose optimized. After this, your problem more likely will be solved. But if you have like Facebook Lite or you are using Facebook website application, what you can do, you're gonna just go again to your, for example, Facebook website, and for website and Facebook Lite it's generally the same. Just gonna go to settings and privacy, and also choose photo quality like high, because in the general Facebook application, like normal regular default Facebook application, your photo is already at the highest resolution, but at the Facebook Lite it's not the same. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure that you liked it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.